Welcome everyone to another video. I am Shahadat from SHADAT'S. Today video about is Redmi 7 MIUI 11 update. 6th November I get MIUI 11 on my Redmi 7. So guys, today I like to share you MIUI 11 new feature. So guys, let's start the video. You can see my Redmi 7 running MIUI 11, but badly Redmi 7 running Android 9. I hope Android 10 coming very soon. Redmi 7 MIUI 11, my favorite feature is system-wise dark mode. You can use all the apps dark mode. At first go to setting, tap on display, tap on dark mode on, tap on dark mode off. Another new feature, you can use calculator and another app at the same time and look like this. Okay, this is video about MIUI 11 Redmi 7. I hope you guys like this video and see you next time. Allah Hafiz.